Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a little haul, but it's not crafty related. It's home decor, and these are all items that I got at either Marshall's or HomeGoods. I don't think there's any TJ Maxx in here, but Marshall's and HomeGoods anyway. And they're all Easter and spring related, and I got a bunch of linens and then some decor pieces. So stay tuned to see some really cute stuff. I'm sure I'll be getting more, but this is what I've gotten so far. So the first item I got is this set of hand towels, and it was, I believe this is from HomeGoods, it was $9.99 for two, which is pretty good. A lot of theirs are $12.99 now, but I love the like off-white color of these towels. Cute bunnies on them. They feel like really good quality. They're like terry cloth inside. So these will be really cute in my powder room for Easter and spring. I think, you know, bunnies go for all through spring, not just for Easter. So pick those up. And then I got these dish towels. This was from HomeGoods, and it was $6.99 for two. So I just love these. I always need new dish towels. You know, after you use them for a season or two, they get kind of, worn out and you have to replace them. So I thought these were super cute. So it says Carrot Patch, locally grown, 10 cents a bunch, established 1904. It's got the carrots and then the black and white like gingham at the bottom. And they're both the same. So this will look really cute in my kitchen. So I got those. And then this is a larger item. This is a throw that I got from HomeGoods. I think it was from HomeGoods. In my area, the HomeGoods and Marshalls, we have a couple of them that are together in the same store, and then we have a separate Marshalls. So sometimes I don't remember, where they came from or if they came from the joint store, if it matters. So anyway, this is an oversized throw, 60 by 70. And it's got the sweetest little bunny print on it. And I think this will go nicely in my house because my family room is just, it's kind of like, neutrals. I have a dark green couch, so this will look really nice with it, I think, the green on it. And it's nice and subtle, not too pastel-y. I have that in other areas of my home, but this will be great for the family room. It's so soft too. And this was $16.99. It's by In Vogue. And I just love the throws that they have. And I'd love to pick up new ones for the different seasons. And then once they get old and, not really nice anymore, I like to donate them to animal shelters. So there's that. Let me just, actually, you know what? I'm going to move the throw over a little bit. Okay. And then I picked this up at Marshall's today, actually. This is the cutest bunny pillow. Let me just zoom out a little bit so you can see it. Isn't that cute? And it's got the ears on it, and it has a little tail in the back. It's just like a big round ball. So this is by Isaac Mizrahi, and it was $16.99. I saw Cindy, Vlog with Cindy. She showed this. She had picked it up at TJ Maxx, so I was happy to find it at Marshall's. And yeah, I think it's adorable, and this will go really cute in my Easter decor. So yeah, got that today at Marshall's. And let's see. Okay, the next item is from HomeGoods, and I had seen this online, and I was glad to find it in the store so I didn't have to pay shipping. It's a mantel scarf, so you put it on top of your fireplace mantle, and then put decorations on top, and then it has the carrots and the like rope connecting them. And this was $16.99. It's by The Farmhouse by Rachel Ashwell, and it's 84 by 10.5 by 9. They also have online, they have a black and white buffalo check one, but I thought this one was a little bit more neutral, and this will fit into my decor a little bit better. So I have mantel scarves for Christmas and fall, but I don't have one for spring, so I'm really looking forward to putting this one up. And it's got really cute carrots on it. I guess it's either orange or the gray and white plaid. Yeah, I'll just look at the picture and you can see. So super cute. I thought that was a nice, unique find for Easter time. All right, let's see what else we have. Okay, I have a matching set I got a matching Valentine's set from, I think it was this brand, or anyway, it was very similar, like the quilted fabric, and I was glad to find a matching set for spring, the table runner and placemats. So this is also by Rachel Ashwell, The Farmhouse. I saw this one online too. It's a reversible table runner that's 14 by 72. So it has this really cute Easter print, bunnies and eggs and flowers, and then the other side is the green and white gingham. So 72 inches is perfect for the counter above my sink. So I like to put out, like a decorative table runner and then put my decor on it, and it just kind of brings it all together. So that's the table runner, and these are the placemats that coordinate. So it comes with 4 placemats, and this was $12.99. And I like these kind of placemats because they wash really well. Sometimes you get the ones that like stiff canvasy ones, and if you wash those, forget it. It's like you can't use them anymore. And even if you iron them, they never look the same. That's what I find anyway. So I like these because they're cotton and quilted and they wash very well. The Valentine ones that I have, I've washed several times already and they come out fine. So yeah, that's just what I prefer for placemats and runners. And then I picked up this set of dish drying mats. This was from the Marshall's Homegoods combo. So this is from Hop Away Home, set of 2 dish drying mats with non-slip backing. They're both 15 by 20. And again, I just love the little bunny print, and the back is like that peach kind of terry cloth. So I guess that's just, I don't know if it's reversible. It looks like it is, but it says non-slip backing. So it doesn't feel like it's plasticky or anything. I just think that the little squares are supposed to be non-stick, so you could, or non-slip, so you could reverse it, I think. But yeah, really cute little bunnies, right? So those are all the linens I got. Let me put these away and then I'll get out my decor pieces and we'll be right back. This was in my bag, so I wanted to show it to you. I found these at checkout. They're shabby chic gift bags, and they were $5.99 for 2. This was from Marshall's. And yeah, really, really pretty prints on them. I just love them. They come with the tag already on them. And this is just perfect for me. I love these. That one's a little bent, but it's just the bottom, doesn't matter. Love the colors and the florals, so I had to pick those up. So I got that, and then I got a few more like light up cookie pieces, gingerbread, sugar cookie, whatever you want to call them. The first one I got is this one, and this is a cute little, a small cookie house, and this one lights up, so you could see this is the tester, and it comes with the little bunny there and a cute little fence, a pink door, little flowers under the window. I love the design on the trim. It's so cute. And then on the top, there are little Easter eggs in the chimney, and there are flowers that go on the top of the roof line, and little white swirls on the aqua covered roof, and it's all glittered. There's decorations all on the sides and windows. This one was $9.99, as you can see. I believe this was from HomeGoods, and it takes, let's see, 3 LR44X batteries, which are included. So I guess those are like little button batteries. Very cute, right? Oh, I love that one. So I do have some like gingerbread Easter decor, but I'm glad that they're coming out with more so I can add to my collection. This one I picked up today at Marshall's, and this one's a little bit bigger, as you can see. This one was $19.99, I believe. Where's the tag? There it is at the bottom, $19.99. And this one takes 3 AA batteries. So it's pink, as you could see. They had some other colors and varieties, but I like this one because, well, it's pink, and then also the Easter eggs at the top. I thought those were super cute. So this one has a white roof, icing details, sprinkles as well. It does light up, and there's the demo there. There's a bunny holding an egg and a cute little chick coming out of an egg with the shell on his head. I love how they do the grass bundles. They did that on the little one too. Cute door, flowers all over, and cute windows too. Windows in the back, and then that side looks like that. So, and it's not too wide either, so I think this will, you know, fit into my decor really nicely. So there's that one. So I got those two houses, and then the last thing I wanted to show you today is this pretty, like, it's kind of like a cookie egg decor. If you guys are, well, I'm in my 50s, so I remember when I was a little girl, we used to have like sugar egg decorations that look kind of like this, and they had a little scene on the inside. So that's what this reminded me of. And this one has like a little bird or chick cookie or something inside with the pink and purple flowers and a pink butterfly. And it's just pink all around. This one's also very thin. It's got some glue on the back, but that's okay. This one was only $7.99, and this was at Homegoods, so I like this one a lot. I think it's super cute. So that's it for my little home decor haul. I'll be back with more. I've got glitter everywhere now. But yeah, I'd love to know what you think about everything. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.